Hey, greetings and welcome to the channel. So while I was working, I saw something on YouTube here, and I wanted to go ahead and implement it. Uh, Yeah, so I want to kind of implement that. So I'm kind of halfway there. I'm already updated the HTML, and I think I updated other things. Yeah, the SCSS that I need. So all I need to do is make this global. So I'm just going about doing that right now. Need to head over to app component TypeScript for all the so many tabs open, but that's okay. Um, yeah, and then I always think it's in red, but for some reason they throw it in blue. It's whatever. But it was for gsap, right? So what I do, I save var gsap any, and hopefully Google GCP doesn't need the gsap variable, because I need that. And then let me see. And so gsap dot two, and so I wrote in my circle. Hopefully, oh, then I deleted it. gsap to, oh, nope, gsap to, okay, and I need that listener. All right, so see, body. All right, we say from event body, and then knock move. All right, so this is interesting. This is not stuck to the subscribe. All right, yeah, that pipe I gotta quit with that. So circle, first a circle, and then X is right. This is gonna be interesting, right? Because it's not gonna be. All right, so I have to figure out what this actually is. If I could just go ahead and do anything like that, and then I want to say this that subscriptions push, right? So I can unsubscribe later. Okay, now let's head over to my application here. Right, so is mouse event client X. Okay, so now I have it. X, comma Y. So comma Y, and then dagger, right? Probably have to tell 05. All right, so let's see how that works out. And then finds that result. That's kind of annoying. She said, "Oh, it's not defined. Unfortunately, it's not defined." All right, that's fine. Let's see what's going on. Name is gsap. gsap is not defined. AP. So I hate. I probably need to make it more global than I'm currently making it. So let me change this to after viewing it. Probably just complete in time. But I swear for other directives, ng on and it just loaded just fine. All right, there we go. Hey, there we go. There we go. Woo. This is beautiful. So it's not exactly on. I think what did he do to make it? So top is like 50% and then left is 50%. I really wonder if it's going to screw with things, but let's try it. 50%. And then left is negative 50%. Yeah, definitely screwing with things at this point. Wow, gsap's not defined. Well, I'm going to have to wait for this to execute now, don't I? Wonder where that div is. All right, but yeah, I definitely want to try to center this thing. Clearly, that's not how to do it. I want to use an of, try to delay this. Give time for gsap to set itself up. Hope I can listen. Wait, yeah, I can. I can listen to when a script is loaded. I did this. I think I did this in WebRTC, the WebRTC directive, and I listened for the loading of the script. On init, wait for that script to finish loading. Load gsap, and then okay, so that's how I did that. Let's do it again. Use that combine latest. Yeah, doing that pipe, I want this to fire like one. But even though it's going to happen, never trust it, never trust it. And I want to like unload everything. That's the thing with JavaScript. When you definitely want to refactor your code, you literally have to do a nasty copy and paste operation. So I hate about JavaScript, but what can you do? Yeah, now the script starts loading. That's good. All right, so I dealt with that problem. But now it's like this div is like, all right, I gotta color this div up. See what's going on here because this gets confusing. Um, all right, so See what this is about, where this diff really starts and oh, it's not too obvious now. Jesus. Yeah, this thing needs some hiding loose clearly. So I can see what's going on there. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I give it height. Oh, 50 is not good enough, right? Then width should be, yeah, I think 200. So I can see it. I can see where the problem starts. Still same predicament. With somehow set back to 0. That's okay. And we're going to enforce it. Uh, yeah, height still equals 0 px. I have a difficult time sometimes trying to express the height with these things. Maybe because I have to like register it to try not to smash out of height. So I need to register it. Yeah, I gotta stop trying to like redo its height. That's what happened there. Oh, it still didn't. Damn it. Oh, but its height is still there. That's interesting. Right, so that's that div. Let's carry moving where it wants to. Let's set position absolute. So let me see. Position absolute help. Hmm. Right, so you said top and left was 50%, but I'm not getting that. Percent. And same thing with the left. Left 2 is 50. We're not getting that for some reason. Okay, we're kind of getting somewhere. Oh, so top is a bit too high. Yeah, that's a bit better. Oh, oh, because I was all the way zoomed out. Nice. Couldn't do that top. It's definitely interesting how to make this work. Right, now we have something like that. But if I try to zoom out, right? Oh, it kind of figures it out too. It's very nice. Yeah, and then I got a lot of work to do in terms of maintenance here. Oh yeah, now I'm 25. It kind of seems to, yeah, it kind of seems to lose it, kind of not be able to figure it out. I think if I use offset instead of client, this could work. Let me try to use offset, and then that'll be the end of the video. Yeah, I guess client was a lot better. It's not really always really accurate using the mouse and mouse movements, but that's okay. Nope. Thanks for please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.